Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be showing everything that I got in my Ipsy for February of 2023. I usually get all of my products and kind of put them in the little bags that they're supposed to go in, but I just thought I would open it up and just, get on into it. So if you are into these types of videos for me, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just honestly going to throw all the products in here and just pull them out one by one, and I'll just be like, this is probably in the plus, this is probably in the regular, I'm not sure. But here is our card this month. You are loved. Buy yourself flowers. Wear a fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. Yeah, showing the love. I actually got an email stating that I may or may not get the Glam Bag X this month and to pick my shade for 2 of the products. I didn't get the X, so whatever. Anyways, this is the regular Glam Bag here. Super cute little marble liquidy effect, kind of like, you pour a bunch of nail polish into a bowl and then you go like that and then you have an effect. That's what I see when I look at this. And then we have here the little bag that says self-love is the best love, which I completely agree. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm pulling out is a volume mascara from the brand Dime. I've never heard of this brand. It says suggested use, applied daily to eyelashes. That's weird. Our mission is simple: to make high-end beauty and wellness products affordable to everyone. Interesting. By the way, because I really liked doing this last time, I am going to make this a giveaway video. So the products in here that I know I'm never going to use, I am going to do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that portion of the video. So I'm going to save that for the giveaway. And then we have a product here from Grown Alchemist. This is the Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. So we have a little cleanser from Grown Alchemist. We know this is a really poppin' brand. Then I have here from Dr. Brandt, the Hydrating Essence Tone, Soothe, Revitalize. This is also an excellent brand we love so much. And then let's see, what else do we have in here? We have this little lip product. This is from the brand Pink Lips, I guess, and this is in the shade Cherry Bomb. So definitely a good Valentine's Day color for sure. And next up, we have this product here from Queen. This is a Dragon Duo Liquid Dragon Liner. Okay, let's see. This box is already open, so we have, I guess it's a regular liner in black. And then I guess this one's the liquid liner. So we have a liquid liner and a black liner here. So I didn't know if they were like a different color, but yeah, here we go. And then we have from Clinique a dramatically different moisturizing lotion. We love Clinique. Actually, Clinique was like the one brand that I was like, Mom, you need their foundation. So I got the foundation for her. And then from Saturday Skin, the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Saturday Skin is a great brand. Here's the packaging. I feel like pink and yellow just go really well together. So yeah, just look at the pink and yellow. And then here we have something in bubble wrap. This is from MOTD Blush Duo. So it is the eyeshadow brand. I didn't know, or the eyeshadow brush brand. I didn't know they made makeup. This is the shade Pink Lace. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I'm wearing fake nails and I'm not very good at opening things with fake nails. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Oh, it has like a, interesting. Oh, this is actually really cute. And it looks just like Charlotte Tilbury. Hold on. Interesting for sure. Where is my Charlotte blush? Very interesting. Very interesting. Okie dokie. So, okay. Let me just go ahead and close this back. And then we have this super cute SL Miss Glam little Valentine's Day brush. How cute! Totally keeping this brush because I love SL Miss Glam brushes. They're so good. Love that. And then last thing in my box is from Beauty Bakery, which I love Beauty Bakery so much. This is the Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. So let's take a look at this in person. I did see spoilers. I don't remember if I even did spoilers for this month of February. I have had a very busy time, okay? Do It for the Gram, okay. Oh, this is actually a really pretty palette. Love that. I'm definitely going to keep this and give this a try because it is very pretty. So anyways, that is it for everything that I got in my Ipsy this month. Thank you, Ipsy, as always, for sending this to me. And I'm going to do a little giveaway. So I'm definitely going to keep this eyeshadow palette because I want to try it. I have not tried Beauty Bakery's eyeshadow palette, but I do have their, their highlighter palette, which I absolutely love. I absolutely love their eyeliner. They have really great lipsticks, and I love their highlighter palette. So I'm excited to try. Oh, and I love their powder, their flower powder. So I'm excited to try this. So definitely keeping this for myself. And the little brush, because it's so cute and Valentine's Day themed, of course I'm going to keep. But I'm going to give away everything else. So I'm going to give away this little MOTD blush. Bada boom. Here we go. Blush. I'm going to give away this Saturday Skin Sleep Mask. I'm also going to give away the little Clinique Moisturizing Lotion. I'm going to give away the little eyeliner duo. And then I'm going to give away the mascara. I'm going to also give away the Grown Alchemist little facial cleanser. I'm also going to give away the Dr. Brandt toner because I just don't need a toner right now and I'd rather it go to a really good home. And then I'm also going to give away the Pink Lips little Valentine's lipstick. So if you guys would like to enter the giveaway, then definitely leave a comment down below. Leave your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, or anything like that so I can contact you if you win. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me go ahead and put all of these into the Ipsy bag here, and I will ship your items in this bag. I love you guys so very much. You guys are the absolute best. So thank you guys for always being the best. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.